I'm Esther and welcome to Minden's. Minden's are nutritious, delicious meals that you can make in minutes using 5 ingredients or less. And today we are making a fig bowl. We're in the middle of summer, it's hot, I don't feel like cooking. Bowls are so popular, but they are filled with a lot of different carbs that kind of make the bowl a little fattening. So this one's a lot less calories. You can find the nutritional information and the cost per serving on my website, which is www.mindens.com. And let's get started to show you how you can literally make this bowl in under 5 minutes. We're going to turn the heat on and we're going to just spray the pan with a little bit of olive oil spray. And I'm using just a little bit of onions. I love to use these diced onions because they are inexpensive because they're saving you time and tears. So just a little. I would say 3 tablespoons. I really don't measure anything, but I'm looking at it 2 to 3 tablespoons of onions. What I did was I took a whole bag of frozen riced cauliflower, and this is going to be the base of our bowl. And I already defrosted it in the microwave. If you buy it the day ahead, you can defrost it on your countertop and it's ready to go. So all we're going to do is just going to take the tang out of the onions. We are going to slightly cook them just so that they're not so bitter. We're going to take the cauliflower, we're going to add it to your onions. This bowl will serve, the whole thing when we're done is going to serve 4. And the nutritional information, like I said, will be on my website. It's about 200 calories per bowl as compared to 500 to 700 calories per bowl. Now I'm using the Sriracha barbecue sauce. It is spicy, so a little goes a long way. We are just going to do, I would say, less than 1/4 cup. Literally, that's all you're going to need. And then we're just going to stir it all together. This is the base of your bowl. As this warms up, you see how fast this is. This is almost all done. I'm going to lower our heat a little. I can smell all the different flavors going on here. I always say I wish you could smell because you smell the barbecue sauce, you could smell the onions. Now, Black Mission figs are in season, and we are going to use 1 to 1.5 figs per bowl. So while this is heating up, all you're going to do is you're going to cut up your fig, and just depending if you're going to use 2 figs, 1.5 figs, the more figs you use, obviously the higher in calories, but they are so good for you. When you add the onions, the barbecue sauce, the figs, and then we're going to top it with our last ingredient, a little bit of crumbled feta cheese, you get pretty much every taste sensation. You have your sweet going, your salty going, your tangy going, and it is a filling bowl. It's on those nights when you don't feel like cooking, you're tired, you're hot, you want something filling, but you want something refreshing. This is the dish for you. I'm not reinventing the wheel. People have been doing bowls for a long time now, but maybe it's an idea that you didn't come up with because cauliflower rice, figs, feta cheese, right? Trust me, it's really good together. I'm going to just take a little bit, put it in the bowl, top it with our fig. All I really need to use is 1 fig in this, so the calorie count is pretty low. Top it with a spoon of feta cheese, and that's it. Dinner's done. Under 5 minutes. Please subscribe. Every week I bring you something different on YouTube. The whole idea is that we cook together. Buy your ingredients on Saturday, cook with me on Monday. Follow me on Instagram where you'll see a finished picture of the dinner that we're serving that week. Thank you for joining us. Come back next week. I don't know what we're making because we make it up each week. That's the fun of Minden's. Thank you so much. Oh, and subscribe. It's free. Just hit the button below.